Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a set of all-season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a natural grain black ash wood trim, heated seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, our turn wheel for our infotainment center. This C300 has 32,473 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300, check out feldmanimports.com.